By the way, I don't know if you see me or not, but I cannot see, so just let me know when the time is up.
Keep going.
Mahalo. How you folks enjoying yourselves? How about we fight leave us for this kind of way? I'm already had no follow fight carrying. Especially when you're on music. There you go. Thank you all for coming. I know it's a busy work night. Some of you guys had probably had date and you canceled your date so you couldn't watch us and stuff. We're gonna continue on and honoring our lead. I don't know what Keiko Magina would like to do one entitled BK. No, it's not for the drive-in. And it ain't for the highway. But it's named for the sister of King Kalaka, Miriam BK, who's also the mother of Princess Kaila. Here we go.
Hey Noah, Keia, no, Rike.
Hey Noah, Keia, no kukua o ea. Hey Noah, Keia, no kukua o ea. Nani vale ka ikena ea. Ika ua kokola ea. Nani vale ka ikena ea. Ika ua kokola ea. Wahana le hala ea. No au i manu ea. Wahana le hala ea. No au i manu ea. Uli mai no oi, uli apulo vau uli mai no oi, uli apulo vau Hacha, aina kaino no kala ni like aina kaino
Hey Noah, no, Rike.